Wednesday, March 21st, 2018. It is 4:25 p.m. Just got back from Fremont with this Plaza Lanes bowling alley sign. And supposedly in place at the bowling alley since the mid 70s, 76 maybe. So 77. So it's 40 years old. Supposedly it was animated. Have not seen it lit up yet, but it's large. It's 12 feet long, about 6 feet tall. Looks like at some point these channel letters had a cover on them, but I'm glad the tubes are exposed now. I like exposed neon. These pins. Got ruby red in there. Too cool. Looks like this is vinyl, maybe. About maybe 2 feet wide. Dark Snow White. These look a little newer than say like this one. That one's a little aged, has some oxidization maybe on it there. Look at this. Brand new. You can tell it has had various repairs and jerry-rigging throughout the past 4 decades. We got this GTO run on the outside instead of the inside, but I don't know, most of the tubes seem complete. There's a couple broken ones like this A here, unfortunately, but it looks like, let's see, we got 2 pairs of electrodes, so it's only 1 tube that's broken out of it. Like this, oh, that's toasty. Needs a little help there. But yeah, looking pretty good. Bowling alley closed, and the owner was gutting the building to sell. And didn't know what to do with the sign. I said, well, neither do I, but I'll take it. Some housings. Rubber covers. Voltark, oh, Voltark blue. Very nice. So the letters are blue. I don't know what these are. Voltark. Where is it? Here we go. Voltark. No White 6500. So, blue letters, white motion blur, whatever you want to call that. For the ball, and I don't see any imprints on the ball, but we got the white and the ruby pins. And then we got border tubes. These are 15mm border tubes. And I do not know what color they might be. I'll have to get my spark coil out here and see which ones work. Which ones work. But anyway, latest addition to the collection. Alright, well, that's it until... Oh, one more thing I wanted to show you. I'm going to get on the other side here. Got the transformers in the top, just kind of chilling out here. Look at that, there's a big, wow, steel pipe in there. This thing has got to be so heavy. I have no idea how I'm going to get this off of this trailer. Some old Jefferson Electric transformer. That one's an Allenson. Allenson down here. I don't know, you probably can't see it due to the contrast, but it's oh, there, it's leaking it. Oh, and this, look at that. Holy cow. Ooh, that is some crispy wiring. Surprised this thing didn't catch on fire. Anyway. Rat's nest of, at least it's accessible. Don't have to try to get in the sign, I guess. So, and you can tell by the oxidization patterns of the paint here, there are sheet metal covers that go on these. Check this out though. These rubber bushings. It's just ceramic. Of course, after 40 years, these rubber bushings just rot away. And then the GTO starts arcing. You know, the wind and weather wear through the coating, the covering of the wire, the insulation, and then they just short out to the metal. That's what this. So the owner was having a bunch of problems with, you know, transformers going out because they're all shorting out and stuff. But yeah, I don't know. It's looking like I only see two at the moment, two broken tubes. The A on the other side, and then this one here, electrode popped off. This looks like it dropped down. Did not happen in transport because it was like that before it was loaded. So I don't know when that broke off, but this one has what this looks like 6mm siliconed to in between the horizontal tubes to keep it from shattering. But yeah, well, I'll get my spark coil out and see what I can do. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe to see further updates.